Hey guys, it's Akil here. So in the last video I showed you how to add a new blog post. I'm just going to show you quickly how to add a category, a new category. You can do two ways. You can do it here where it says categories, and you can click add new categories. Now you want your categories to kind of relate to what your website is about. You just don't want to have, some, say, willy-nilly categories. And then you could also go and click on categories underneath all posts. So you see here all posts, add new, and categories. It's pretty straightforward. You probably want, to begin with maybe about 5 categories to start with. You don't want more than, I'd say, about 20. I mean, you don't want to have like 50 categories unless you're creating like, you're just starting out, so you won't need 50 categories. So you want to think about 5 categories that you can create. Again, here you could just add the name of the category. So in the last video, I showed you how I added WordPress. I'm also thinking about, I'll just create one here. Amazon, for example, Amazon tips. I'll just put Amazon tips. So if I wanted to create a category about Amazon tips, I just click on add new, and then it should show up here. So as you can see, Amazon tips has been added, and that's how you create a category. You could delete it here if you wanted to. Just click on delete. If you wanted to edit it, you just click on edit and then rename it whatever you want to rename it. Again, always select, when you create a blog post, select the right category that you want it to be featured in. So for example, in the last video I created a category on created a blog post on how to create a WordPress post, and then I selected WordPress as the category. So that's how you create a category inside of the WordPress dashboard or in the WordPress platform. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.